Trello provides an excellent framework for managing project-based learning initiatives, especially for group projects. Students can create their own boards and customize task lists to suit their own needs, or use one of Trello's board templates to help get them started. In this project, each phase of the project has its own task list. Users can add detailed descriptions, delegate responsibilities to one or more team members, assign and track subtasks, and attach files to specific items. Trello also offers a calendar view, as well as an optional activity log. This type of Trello board helps a team track their progress, manage deadlines, access related documents, and monitor member activity to improve productivity and accountability. Users can access their boards from any browser or mobile device, and best of all, it's free.